If you think you need a high salary to build wealth, you're not alone. Many people believe wealth is only for those who earn six figures, but that belief is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck financially. In this video, you'll learn how normal people build wealth even on a low income, using simple systems and smart habits, not luck or high paychecks. Welcome to Beginner Wealth Lab, the channel where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building for beginners. If you're living paycheck to paycheck or feel like your income is holding you back, this video is especially for you. Building wealth is not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep and how well you use it. Many high-income earners live broke because their expenses rise with their income. At the same time, many people with average or low incomes quietly build wealth by controlling their spending, saving consistently, and investing patiently. Income helps, but behavior matters more. The first step to building wealth on a low income is controlling your cash flow. You must know exactly where your money is going every month. Without a simple budget, your money will always disappear. Budgeting doesn't mean restriction, it means giving your money a purpose. When every dollar has a job, you stop wasting money without realizing it. Once you understand your cash flow, the next step is reducing unnecessary expenses. This doesn't mean cutting everything fun out of your life. It means identifying spending that adds no real value. Small recurring expenses like subscriptions, eating out frequently, or impulse purchases quietly destroy wealth over time. Cutting even a few of these can free up money to save and invest. After controlling spending, the next priority is building an emergency fund. When you're on a low income, emergencies are more dangerous because you have less margin for error. An emergency fund protects you from debt when unexpected expenses show up. Start small if needed, even a few $100s is progress. The goal is stability before growth. One of the most important habits for building wealth on a low income is paying yourself first. This means saving or investing before spending on anything else. Even if it's a small amount, consistency matters more than size. Saving $10 or $20 regularly is far more powerful than saving nothing while waiting for a higher income. Once saving becomes a habit, investing is what helps you build wealth over time. You don't need to take big risks or pick individual stocks. Simple investments like index funds and ETFs allow you to grow money slowly and safely. When your income is low, your greatest advantage is time. Starting early and staying consistent can make a massive difference decades later. Automation is one of the best tools for low-income wealth building. When savings and investments happen automatically, you remove emotion and temptation. You don't rely on motivation. Automation turns wealth building into a system instead of a struggle. Systems always outperform willpower. Another key factor in building wealth is increasing income gradually. This doesn't mean working nonstop or burning out. Small improvements matter. Learning new skills, negotiating pay, switching jobs strategically, or starting a simple side income can increase your earning power over time. Even small income increases, when invested, compound into significant wealth. Mindset also plays a huge role. People on low incomes often feel hopeless about money. But wealth building is not about where you start, it's about what you do consistently. Comparing yourself to others only slows you down. Focus on progress, not perfection. Wealth is built quietly, slowly, and patiently. One mistake to avoid is trying to get rich fast. When money feels tight, risky decisions feel tempting. High-risk investments, hype trends, and quick-win schemes often cause people to lose what little money they have. Slow wealth is safe wealth. Patience protects your future. Building wealth on a low income takes discipline, but it is absolutely possible. Control your spending, build a safety net, save consistently, invest simply, and increase income over time. These steps may seem small, but when repeated year after year, they create real financial freedom. If you're starting with a low income, remember this: you are not behind. You are building a foundation. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process. Wealth is not built in months, it's built over years. If this video helped you, subscribe to Beginner Wealth Lab for more simple, beginner-friendly lessons on money, investing, and wealth building.